Before processing begins, everything starts here, at the source of the supply chain.
Every step is regulated, from breeding conditions to handling protocols.
Only certified healthy stock moves forward into processing.
The harvest phase begins under strict safety and traceability. Containment ensures both worker protection and product integrity.
From farm to factory, the transition is seamless and controlled.
Every shipment is checked before entering the processing chain.
Sanitation is the first barrier in modern meat production.
Conditions remain precise until the next stage begins.
Traceability is built into every container, every moment.
Only after clearance does the factory journey truly begin.
The next phase shifts from farming control to industrial logistics.
From here, the supply moves into the heart of processing. Temperature control begins the moment transport starts.
The journey continues toward industrial-scale processing.
Cold chain stability protects quality at every mile.
The factory heartland is where raw supply becomes product.
Nothing enters without verification and control.
Contamination control begins before unloading even starts.
The raw material now enters the processing chain.
From transport, the factory prepares for the first transformation.
Contamination control begins before unloading even starts.
The raw material now enters the processing chain.
Every kilogram is logged, every batch accounted for.
From transport, the factory prepares for the first transformation.
Now, the real processing begins. The first transformation begins with industrial-grade sanitation.
Even the containers are purified before handling continues.
Sorting begins under strict control and documentation.
Each unit is classified before entering the next system. The factory eliminates every external impurity.
Handling occurs only inside protected industrial environments.
Only verified stock proceeds deeper into processing.
Sorting begins under strict control and documentation.
Every instrument is prepared to medical level standards. Timing and temperature remain perfectly synchronized. Now the factory shifts from preparation to production.
This is where industrial scale replaces manual handling.
The main processing stage is about to begin.
Here, the workflow shifts from handling to high-precision biomedical extraction.
Every step is guided by science, safety, and strict regulation.
Automation ensures precision where human hands cannot risk error.
Purification begins immediately at the molecular level. Temperature control preserves potency for the next stage. Separation systems refine what nature produces into medical-grade material.
Nothing is exposed to riot. Sterility is absolute.
Every batch is measured, verified, and approved before moving forward.
From extraction to life-saving form, one vial at a time.
Traceability is embedded into every dose produced.
Now, the product waits under constant protection.
Secondary processing is where extraction becomes a finished biomedical solution.
Exact ratios define the difference between raw material and medicine. Even the smallest adjustment must be flawless.
Purity is protected at every centimeter of flow.
Scale and precision combine in perfect synchronization.
Time, pressure, and cold reshape the product for long-term stability. What was liquid becomes a stable form, ready for transport worldwide. Recovery is as controlled as every step before it.
One last purification ensures absolute safety. And next, the factory's most advanced intelligence takes over. Artificial eyes verify every vial with perfect precision. Robots handle what humans cannot, maintaining speed and sterility. Every vial is checked at the molecular level before release. Sealing is instantaneous and traceable for full accountability.
Efficiency and precision define every movement.
High-density storage maximizes space while preserving sterility.
Intelligence guides every pallet from production to distribution. The final journey begins as automation hands off to packaging.
Precision continues as the product nears completion. And this is how modern factories produce life-saving antivenom from start to finish.
Every batch undergoes rigorous laboratory testing before release.
Sterility is critical for safe, effective medicine. Advanced analytics confirm the solution's potency and consistency. Protein composition is carefully validated for efficacy.
Every result is logged for complete traceability and compliance.
After testing, the product is safely stored for future dispatch.
Controlled storage preserves potency until shipment.
Even in storage, quality assurance continues.
Every vial has passed stringent checks, ready for final packaging and global distribution.
Every tray is prepared for secure, standardized packaging.
Boxes are formed with perfect precision for safe transport.
Sealed and secure, each package is ready for storage.
Packaging ensures protection during transport across the globe.
Organized storage maintains order, safety, and accessibility.
Every pallet is digitally tracked for seamless inventory management.
Precision at the dock ensures smooth outbound logistics. Every batch begins its journey toward clinics and hospitals worldwide. And with that, the product is ready to reach those who need it most. Every shipment is monitored to maintain integrity across the journey.
Regional hubs streamline delivery to facilities worldwide.
And this is how modern factories produce life-saving antivenom from start to finish.
From production to storage, every step ensures the medicine reaches those in need.
Every shipment is carefully received, tracked, and stored to maintain quality.